Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to build a very simple motion sensor, using only parts that I already have in my stock. The main idea of this project is very important. When motion is detected, I get a notification on my mobile phone. No hubs. No smart home systems. No home assistant. No complicated setups. Just a few parts, some wiring, and a cloud connection, that's it. Why I'm building this? A few days ago, a friend asked me a very simple question. Can you find a motion sensor that I can place near the entrance, and when someone moves there, I get a notification on my phone? And honestly, most ready-made solutions today are overkill. They require hubs, gateways, subscriptions, or full smart home ecosystems. So I decided, let's build one ourselves. Parts I'm going to use. I opened my parts stock and found everything I need. Sonoff smart power socket. 12 volts to 220 volts transformer. Motion sensor from an alarm system. Plastic enclosure for all parts. Some wires, soldering iron, and basic tools. Nothing special, nothing expensive. The working principle is very simple. The Sonoff device has a physical button. When this button is pressed, the Sonoff switches on or off and sends a notification to the phone. So what I'm doing is, the motion sensor will press this button electronically. To do this, I use an inverted relay. When motion is detected, then relay triggers and then Sonoff button is emulated. I also decided to add a manual switch, so I can completely disconnect the motion sensor if needed. Next is Sonoff configuration. The Sonoff supports inching mode, which is perfect here. I set the timer to 5 to 10 seconds. When motion is detected, Sonoff turns on. After 5 to 10 seconds, it automatically turns off. As a bonus, you can connect a lamp to the output contacts. So the motion sensor can also turn on a light for a few seconds. The time is fully adjustable. Next is assembly and soldering. Next step, soldering. I soldered wires directly to the Sonoff button contacts. Then I connected the relay, the power supply, the motion sensor with about 3 meters of cable. Everything fits nicely into the enclosure. No problems here, very straightforward. Next is pairing and troubleshooting. Now comes pairing, and of course, some problems appeared. At first, I tried one motion sensor. It paired successfully, but it didn't work correctly. This sensor was used before, and honestly, I don't even remember why I removed it back then. So I took another motion sensor, tested it, and this one worked perfectly. I resoldered the button wires, connected everything again, and now the system behaves exactly as expected. Final setup and testing. After a bit of configuration in the Sonoff app, everything is ready. Now the test. Motion detected. Relay triggers. Sonoff button is pressed, and I instantly receive a notification on my phone. Simple. Reliable. No hub. No smart home. Final result. So in the end, we have a DIY motion sensor, works completely standalone, sends notifications directly to the phone, can also control a lamp, built from parts I already had. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked this video, press like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.